Suppose a pool ball leaves the edge of a table with 2.4 meters per second squared. With a speed of 2.4 meters per second, and the height of the table is 0.60 meters. Should actually go all the way up to here. Okay. We first want to figure out the time it's in the air. Now, what determines time in the air? The horizontal speed or the vertical distance? Well, it turns out that it's the vertical distance that determines time in the air. So because we're dealing with vertical distance and time, we want to use the equation d equals 1/2 gt squared. So I plug in what I know. I know d, which is 0.6, equals 1/2. I know g, which is 10. And then time in the air is what I'm looking for, t squared. So now I need to solve this. So I go 0.6 equals 5t squared. And I got that by combining these two. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So I get t squared equals 1.2. Now to get rid of the square, I need to take the square root of both sides. And that's going to give me t equals 1.09 seconds. The next part of the problem wants to find the range, or how far away from the edge of the table did it fall. For this, we now need to use the horizontal velocity. So for part B, we want to know how far does it go in the horizontal direction. We definitely do not want to use the same equation because this equation has g in it, which dictates a vertical motion. Instead, for the horizontal direction, we want to use the velocity triangle. And because I'm looking for distance, that means my distance is going to equal velocity times time. And again, everything is in the x direction. So I have dx equals my velocity in the x direction, which is 2.4, times the time that I calculated in the previous part. And when I do that, I get a distance of 2.63 meters.